Hi, my name is Michele Ward, Nurse Care Manager of Remote Health Solutions. I'm excited to share with you today the unboxing video of your new eVER Home Kit. It will arrive to you in a brown box, just like this. Careful opening your box with any sharp objects. Inside your box, you will find another smaller brown box, which will contain your eVER Home tablet. It will contain the eVER Home Quick Start Guide and also your tablet device. It does have an on-off button here at the side. Just press that once gently until it turns on. The device will already be registered to your name. Inside you will find a protective case. Very easy to open. You will also have your charging device. It comes in two parts. You will insert the larger end into the charging block. You will take your smaller end of your charging device and insert it into the tablet port at the bottom of your eVER Home tablet device. Also in your box, you'll find additional tools. You have an A&D blood pressure monitor. You also have a fingertip pulse oximeter. You have your ear thermometer. And you have your larger packaging carrying case. It will come with your A&D blood pressure monitoring kit. Here is your blood pressure cuff. It will also come with additional batteries. You'll want to remove the plastic casing on the back. Insert your batteries. Positive and negative as it's displayed. And connect your blood pressure cuff to the actual unit itself. It does have also a protective covering that you can remove later if you'd like. And there's your blood pressure cuff. Also inside, you will find your fingertip pulse oximeter. This will also come with batteries. Insert the batteries. Positive and negative, and then just insert that back into the casing. It does have a little wristlet if you need to, and it can go up in there as well. You will also receive a thermometer, batteries are also included. Just remove your device. To insert your batteries. You'll slide plastic jacket. You'll need to keep your scissors handy to again remove the plastic on your batteries. You will insert your batteries and then slide the plastic jacket back on. And your device is ready to go. You have additional attachments, a resting case. It also comes with an additional wall mount that you can use at your discretion. So inside you'll have your EVER Quick Start Guide along with your EVER device. It does have your on and off power button here, so we will power it on. Your devices connect to the tablet using Bluetooth. Verify that by tapping on your Bluetooth status. You can see that it is enabled. We're now going to do a pulse ox reading. Again, you'll press on your pulse oximeter tab. It will show you how to place the device. You'll place your finger in the middle of the device. You can see that the blue icon is moving. Once it is complete, you can hit done, and that will have automatically gone to your tablet and to the portal for your physician to be able to read. Your device will turn off automatically, and you are complete. And now we'll go ahead and do a blood pressure reading. You will press on your blood pressure icon, and it will show you where to place your blood pressure cuff. Follow the instructions on your tablet by placing the blood pressure cuff in the correct position. Then you will want to hit your start key on your Bluetooth device. Your device will take your blood pressure. Once the blood pressure results are completed, it will be synced to your tablet and to the portal. Then you can just hit done. It will bring you back to the picture instruction page. When you're ready to do a virtual exam with a physician or a nurse, you'll press on your virtual exam button. Physicians or nurses will appear. Make sure that you press on the video button. It will ask you to wait for response. Hi, Dr. Bob. This is Michele. I just sent over some results for my blood pressure.
Hi, yeah, this is Dr. Bob. Nice to see you, Michele. I just got the blood pressure results. Were you needing a virtual exam today?
Yes, I am. I'm not feeling so well.
Those numbers look really good. Everything I've got on my end looks really great. You're looking great too.
Very good. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you were available.
You bet. Call me later if you need me.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Then you will hit your end button and that will end your exam. Your EVER kit comes with a customized carrying case, and it can be adjusted by removing the panels to fit your individual devices. We hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any questions or concerns about your tablet, please contact your nurse, physician, or RHS representative. Thank you so much. Have a great day.